ChatGPT-5 is releasing soon, and OpenAI just announced the web crawler, which is their new GPT bot.
The AI has been advanced for a while. It just didn't have a user interface that was accessible to most people. So what really ChatGPT has done is just put an accessible user interface on AI technology that has been present for a few years.
Imagine a digital detective, tirelessly scouring the boundless realms of the internet to unearth hidden treasures of text data. That's precisely what GPT-Bot does. It's the tierless web crawler developed by OpenAI, designed to venture where few have gone before. Its mission? To collect text data from the sprawling expanse of web pages that make up the internet. This data, akin to precious gems, plays a pivotal role in supercharging OpenAI's advanced language models, including the mighty GPT-4 and the future star, GPT-5. Welcome to our channel, your portal to the world of artificial intelligence. In this video, we are embarking on an exhilarating journey into the world of OpenAI and their groundbreaking developments. OpenAI, the genius minds behind ChatGPT, are rewriting the AI rulebook. They have recently unveiled their formidable web crawler GPT-Bot, and their plans for the future include none other than GPT-5. We are here to unveil what these innovations mean for the realm of AI and provide you with a comprehensive understanding. Here is the million-dollar question. How does GPT-Bot decide which pages to explore and which to avoid? Well, it's a digital Sherlock Holmes, following a strict set of rules and guidelines. It seeks out pages that are freely accessible, steering clear of those behind paywalls or locked by usernames and passwords. It's on a mission for knowledge, not private data. GPT-Bot also enforces ethical standards, shunning pages that host hate speech, violence, or adult content.
The scary part is digital superintelligence that far exceeds human intelligence. We could lose control of it. I think this is definitely one of the issues that we need to be concerned about as an existential risk.
If you are a website owner and wish to have control over this digital detective's adventures, you hold the power. A few lines of code in your website's robots.txt file can either grant access to the bot or bar it from your digital domain. This level of control ensures that your content remains under your watchful eye. Let's talk about why GPT-Bot is creating ripples in the AI community. Its importance is colossal. GPT-Bot enables OpenAI to effortlessly gather invaluable data from the ever-expanding sea of web pages. This data fuels the development and training of advanced AI models. Picture it as a vast library of knowledge that these models use to understand and respond to your queries.
Are robots going to take our jobs, everybody's jobs in the future?
I think we should be really concerned about AI. AI is a fundamental existential risk for human civilization. And I don't think people fully appreciate that. Because what's going to happen is robots will be able to do everything better than us. But when I say everything, like the robots will be able to do everything. It's like this is really like the scariest problem to me, I'll tell you. Essentially, if your competitor is racing to build AI and you don't, they will crush you.
The implications are astounding. These AI models can perform an array of tasks related to natural language processing, from crafting engaging text to translating between languages and answering complex questions. The evolution of AI hinges on the insights gathered by GPT-Bot, paving the way for groundbreaking innovations, including the highly anticipated GPT-5. Here's where the excitement escalates. GPT-5 is the star on the horizon, the next major language model from OpenAI. While it's shrouded in secrecy, a few breadcrumbs hint at its potential. For instance, OpenAI filed a trademark application for GPT-5 with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, a testament to its active development. Now, let's delve into what GPT-5 could bring to the table. Imagine a colossal leap in size, accuracy, and versatility. GPT-4, with its 175 billion parameters, is already a giant among language models. GPT-5 is set to dwarf it, potentially boasting trillions of parameters. What does this mean for you? It translates into AI that can store more information, approach human-like accuracy, and communicate in a way that blurs the line between machine and human. Versatility takes center stage as well. GPT-4 already juggles various inputs and outputs, but GPT-5 could take this further, potentially syncing seamlessly with other platforms and tools, making it a versatile tool across numerous applications and industries. You are probably eager to know when GPT-5 will make its grand entrance. Well, here's where the crystal ball gets a bit cloudy. OpenAI has not provided a concrete release date, which leaves us in a realm of uncertainty. But if we examine past release patterns, there's a glimmer of hope. We have seen a relatively quick succession between GPT 3.5 and GPT 4, hinting at the possibility of GPT 5 emerging sooner than we might expect. However, keep in mind that the dynamic AI landscape can always throw surprises our way. Now, let's address a thought-provoking topic. Can GPT-5 reach the coveted summit of artificial general intelligence, AGI? AGI represents AI that can learn and understand anything a human can. Some optimistic voices suggest that GPT-5 could achieve AGI by the end of 2023. They envision it generating text and speech so lifelike that distinguishing it from human conversation becomes nearly impossible. Yet seasoned experts take a more cautious stance. They emphasize the formidable challenges that AGI presents, including generalization, reasoning, common sense, and ethical considerations. The road to AGI, they say, is a marathon, not a sprint. So, is GPT-5 our next giant leap forward or a potential stumbling block? The answer lies in the balance between potential and responsibility. GPT-5 holds the promise of pushing the boundaries of AI technology. It can amplify productivity, unlock creativity, and accelerate progress in various fields, from education to entertainment. But with great power comes great responsibility. GPT-5 also has the potential to spread misinformation, propaganda, or engage in manipulation. The ethical implications are profound. The future of AI is a tapestry of opportunities and challenges, and it's up to us to navigate this uncharted terrain. We are eager to hear your thoughts. Do you think GPT-5 is a monumental step forward, or do you have concerns about its impact? And how many of you are currently using GPT-4, and how is your experience with it? Share your insights in the comments below, and do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay tuned to the latest developments in AI. The future is unfolding, and OpenAI is leading the way. Thank you for joining us, and we will see you in the next chapter of AI innovation.